Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome to Nuclear Chemistry Academy. As you know that we are solving the past paper of organic chemistry. So our today's MCQs is about definitely organic chemistry. So let's come to the statement. Which statements would be true of the compound which has the formula shown? As you can see the formula of organic compound, and it is the formula of dicarboxylic acid. Why I am calling it dicarboxylic acid? Because it contains two carboxylic group. Okay. The first statement is that it would react with excess aqueous sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide actually it is a base in a 1 ratio 1 molar ratio. What does it mean? It means that 1 mole of dicarboxylic acid reacts only with 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. No, 1 mole of dicarboxylic acid reacts with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Why? Because this carboxylic acid consists of two carboxylic group. That's why it will react with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. So it is the incorrect statement. The second statement is that in aqueous solution, what does it mean? This dicarboxylic acid will dissolve in the water solvent. That's why it is called aqueous solution. It would have a pH of 9.5. It is the acid. Acid are those substances which has a pH value less than 7, not greater than 7. If any substance has pH value greater than 7, it will be a base. But this compound is a acid and it will have definitely a pH value less than 7, not greater than 7. So it is also the incorrect statement. The third statement is that it would react with an alcohol to form an ester. Yes, it is the correct option. The carboxylic acids can react with alcohols to form the esters. How? This carboxylic group react with the alcoholic group ROH, and this carboxylic group will also react with alcoholic compound to form the esters. So it is the correct statement. And how many modes of alcohols will be utilized to form the esters? 2 modes of alcohols will be utilized by 1 mole of dicarboxylic acid to form the esters. So delta option is the correct option. Hopefully you get it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.